Beside me. Delving back into the history of Manchester City, they had a golden period, late 60s, early 70s, where they were winning trophies domestically and in Europe as well. The likes of Francis Lee and Mike Summerby.
Yeah, Colin Bell was my idol as a young boy, and I went on to have some great games at Main Road. What an atmospheric stadium that was.
Well, there's the first whistle, and the game is underway. Got on the ball in midfield, well read by the player in that part of the pitch. Kevin De Bruyne. I think he rushed his shot there, and that's why it's so wide of the mark. Diaz. Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going. Well, the referee's blown the whistle after a challenge like that. Maybe he's just putting down a marker. Yellow card very early in proceedings here.
Not ideal at all for that lad, but he can't have any complaints with the challenge and the decision.
Well, he's cleared the danger. And that will be a corner. And he's moved in, trying to jostle the opponent off his stride. Trying to switch on the attacking power in this situation. And the referee does blow. The flag was up from the assistant. Kyle Walker. Gundogan. Nice bit of interplay between these two. That would be a throw. Well, this is certainly going to be within their range now that the free kick has been given. And it's a header. And in with the goal! So Manchester City score here.
Well, coming in from the right, that was so inviting. Wonderful delivery.
Great ball, great goal.
Well, it was. They're a powerful side, and they really do attack the ball with a lot of aggression.
Different angle on it here. Well, it's Manchester City in front. Here's a chance to move forward from midfield after that interception. Now they're looking to get forward from this position. The shot's on! Well, there was the opportunity to get them back on level terms.
Well, I think he snatched at that a little bit. Just needed a cooler head when it mattered.
He slipped his man. He's gone in very fairly and won the ball cleanly. Kevin De Bruyne. Poor touch and the possession's gone away. Gundogan. That's a good... And here's the shot. Oh, good save. And he's clung onto the ball as well. What we're seeing at the moment is Manchester City being worked very hard indeed. They do have the lead, and that's obviously a plus. But their general level of play could improve. The second half to come, of course. Shot up! Very good try. Just off target. He'll want to clear his lines here, but make sure it's a bit more than just hoofing it upfield. And the board shows 3 added minutes. Diaz. half-time, signalled by the referee, 1-0 the half-time score. I think as we reflect on the first half, that the manager has said to his players, look, could be a banana skin here, make sure you don't slip on it.
Well, that's quite right, and top marks therefore for their professionalism. They've come out here and they haven't relaxed by any stretch. They've been superb, actually.
So off we go at the start of the second half. Great match, and Manchester City leading it at the moment.
And now the shot!
Well, that's not even close. It's an exhibition here with such great passing. And shoots! Corner given. Two new players ready to come on. And he's up for the header, and he scores with the header. Very good build-up, Alan. Very good goal.
Oh, the timing of the jump and the timing of the header, they were all perfect to finish off that corner.
And here is another angle on that goal. So away we go at 1-1. And the manager's going to make a change here. Very good passes. This team are passing the ball beautifully. That's taken the heat out of the situation for the moment with that interception. And we're going to get substitutions from both managers. Gundogan. And it is time for a substitution in this match. Quick change of possession here. Wasteful pass, unforced error really. Kevin De Bruyne. Shot off now. Nothing wrong with the shot really, except the direction. It was hit well enough. The goalkeeper didn't have to move a muscle except to catch it. I think we'll see with these possession stats, Alan, that yes, the game has been as even as it seemed without the figures to back that up.
Yeah, I mean, I think we thought coming into this match, Martin, that it would be evenly matched. And it's been the case here.
The shot's on! Great save by a diving goalkeeper. Substitution time. That certainly helps the goalkeeper and those in the middle to stop the cross like that. It is corner after corner. Kevin De Bruyne. He can lay it off to the supporting player. He's taken it away there with a... It's been a very good game, and the substitutes might be able to make it even better. We're going to get a change. Kevin De Bruyne. Shot on! Well, there's nothing still to separate these teams, despite these chances. And the manager deciding to go for it and bring on a new player. Time is ticking away here, 4 minutes to go. Diaz. He's going to cross it. Well, the ball deserved perhaps a better response from his teammates in the middle. The defender got there first, though. 2 minutes of added time. That's what it says on the board. And he's dispossessed. Well, that's a good challenge between the two of them there. That's the end of regulation time with the scores level.